The 30 feet Apple cabin is widely considered the golden ratio model, offering a spacious interior without the logistical complexity of larger units. It provides ample rooms for a luxury studio layout, including a king-size sleeping area and a full bathroom, making it the most versatile choice for high-end resort accommodations. Despite its larger glass surface, the 30 feet model features an advanced thermal braking system and multi-layered insulation. This ensures that the expansive living area remains energetic, efficient, and quiet in any climate, providing a serene sanctuary that protects guests from external temperature fluctuations and noise. Designed for seamless logistics, the 30 feet cabin can be easily transported and positioned using standard equipment. It is the premier choice for rapid response commercial projects, such as pop-up cafes, office hubs, or satellite guest houses, where a quick setup and a sophisticated, modern aesthetics are equally essential.